Now, yesterday, we mentioned the crowded and often confusing landscape around probiotics. So in the next few minutes, I'm making it my mission to have you all feeling 100% confident that there's nothing else like PB Restore in the marketplace. Are you ready to dive into the details with me? So, if you remember from yesterday, there are two key reasons we want to take probiotics daily. First, when your microbiome is healthy and flourishing with the diversity of good microbes, it helps us to stay healthy because there's no vacancy for the unwanted microbes to take up residence and infect us. And this is the primary way to control unwanted outcomes or overgrowth of bacteria that can make us sick. Now, second, a healthy microbiome is also going to support and maintain your health in other ways. We have micronutrient synthesis and absorption. We have optimal metabolic function, the gut-brain axis that we've heard so much about, and so many other areas. Supporting your microbiome is fundamental to your systemic health and well-being, far beyond just the gut. I want to give you more knowledge about the 30 bioactive components in every dual chamber capsule. These elements were selected because they're each backed by compelling science and research about their benefits for your health. But before I get into those details, I'd like to spend a few moments with an analogy that is easy to share and can help anyone understand the characters in this probiome story. Consider for a moment a textiles manufacturing plant. The primary goal of this plant is the production of clothing and home linens of all styles, shapes, and sizes. The workforce in this manufacturing plant consists of hundreds of different employees with a wide variety of skills and talents. However, their skills and abilities won't amount to anything unless they have access to the materials such as fabric, threads, and cloth that are needed to produce each different kind of clothing or linen. Your microbiome is similar. You have between 500 and 1,000 species of microbes that are working in your body. And these probiotic workers need access to a wide variety of fiber-rich foods, the prebiotic materials, so that they can create the valuable products, these postbiotic metabolites. What are these? Let's review some of them. Your body uses probiotic bacteria to produce a wide range of compounds supporting cellular, organ, and general health functions. From neurotransmitters to bioavailable vitamins, even short-chain fatty acids. The metabolites generated by your probiotic bacteria are fundamental to the valuable benefits that your microbiome is creating for your health and well-being. So as you can see, when you take daily probiotics, you are replenishing your internal workforce, the probiotic bacteria that are responsible for creating these postbiotic metabolites. And those postbiotic metabolites continue to provide multiple health benefits even after the probiotics are done with their work. I'm sharing this analogy because I want you to appreciate why every strain was included in this new formulation. Each probiotic strain is there to do a distinct job. The prebiotic fiber, it's there to fuel their work. Can you imagine trying to run a manufacturing plant with just one type of worker? Wouldn't work very well. Now, similarly, diversity in your microbial workforce is vital. And that's why we've combined the strengths of these 24 probiotic strains in our dual chamber capsule. As we formulated, we considered the science and the evidence for each strain. We evaluated both the individual merits of each strain and also how these strains would work together as a team. And while it's the combination of these strains that delivers the whole body benefits that you can expect from PB Restore, I'm going to highlight 3 that I think you'll find particularly interesting. The first one, Lactobacillus brevis, strain SP48. This strain has been shown in preclinical research to naturally increase GABA. Now, GABA is one of those postbiotic metabolites that we just talked about. GABA is a neurotransmitter. It plays a vital role in the function of your central nervous system, helping to regulate your sleep, your memory, and your mood. You heard yesterday that many of our wellness advocates experience a positive shift in their mood and their ability to manage stressful situations when taking PB Restore daily. One of the probiotic workers contributing to the improved mood benefits is Lactobacillus brevis SP48. Now, when these next two strains team up, the research shows they work together to deliver a host of benefits. And chief among these is an increase in butyrate levels. Butyrate is a short-chain fatty acid metabolite with several benefits, including strengthening your gut barrier and healthy inflammatory responses. When taken together, Lactobacillus rhamnosus IMC 501 and Lactobacillus paracasei IMC 502 have been shown to naturally increase our microbial diversity as we age, including the genus Lactobacillus and two keystone multi-beneficial genera, Bifidobacterium and Akkermansia. In healthy people, Akkermansia mucinifila accounts for up to 4% of your intestinal bacteria. Akkermansia thrives with access to dietary polyphenols, which is why Dr. O recommended that you always combine your probiotic supplementation with a colorful, diverse range of whole foods. Maintaining these key species as we age is vital for health span and systemic health. They support optimal gut barrier function, metabolic health, fat storage, regulation of inflammatory responses, and more. The third strain I want to highlight is Lactobacillus rhamnosus SP1. Dr. Hill has said many times, from this stage in fact, our lifestyle choices can influence our gene expression. Well, the health of your microbiome can also influence your gene expression. Lactobacillus rhamnosus SP1 studies have shown it influences the expression of IGF-1 and FOXO1 genes. And these genes are involved in skin health. When Danny Flynn mentioned yesterday that her friend commented on the health of her skin, what you couldn't see was Lactobacillus rhamnosus SP1 taking the bow. Now, there's another kind of worker in my analogy that we haven't really addressed. The cleaning crew that comes through before the manufacturing team starts their day, eliminating anything that could get in the way of the workers performing their best work. In your microbiome, bacteriophages are part of this cleaning crew, and they look like this. They might look like science fiction, but bacteriophages are a natural part of the human gastrointestinal system, and they're also abundant in nature. They're found in seawater, soil, fermented foods, and of course, people. In fact, you have 10 times more bacteriophages in your body than bacteria. It's amazing. Bacteriophages aren't actually bacteria. They're healthy viruses that infect and eliminate specific pathogenic bacteria. In fact, the use of bacteriophages was very common in Europe before modern healthcare. Now, the specificity of bacteriophages allows them to selectively target harmful pathogens and disarm them, sweeping out these unwanted bacteria to create space for beneficial microbes to flourish. And because of this, bacteriophages are particularly beneficial when they're used in combination with probiotics. These 4 phages in PB Restore formulation will effectively clear the space for the 24 strains of probiotics to do their best work. And that's why the phages are housed in the outer capsule along with the prebiotic fiber to time their release ahead of the probiotics in the inner capsule. Now, for those of you who are paying attention, which is everyone, right? Now, you're probably asking what this strain of postbiotic is for in our formula. Here's the thing. It takes time for ingested probiotic bacteria to locate the prebiotic fibers, break them down, and produce those all-important postbiotic metabolites. So, a faster way to address these problems is to ingest some postbiotic metabolites directly. And for this reason, we've included Lactobacillus rhamnosus CRL 1505, our heat-inactivated postbiotic strain, so that when it's ingested orally, it can immediately begin delivering its immune-supporting activities. So, there you have it. This patent-pending formula in a patented dual-chamber capsule for the most effective microbiome support you can find today. The postbiotic strain for immediate action in the gut. 24 active live probiotic strains from 22 species for maximum diversity in your microbial workforce. The prebiotics those microbes need to do their work to produce those all-important postbiotic metabolites. And 4 bacteriophages for targeted cleansing of the unwanted bacteria in the gut. Has my mission been successful? Do you feel more confident that PB Restore is one of the most innovative probiotics in the market today? Now you can download and share what you love about this formulation right now. Just scan this QR code for some materials that you can post right away. There's no need to memorize these 30 bioactive components in PB Restore formulation. I know some of you are probably already Googling and eager for more knowledge, but doTERRA has your back. You can review everything that we've covered here today and discover more about the powerful science behind this breakthrough new product by enrolling in the ProBiome product course. You can learn about the science of the microbiome, the benefits of both the ProBiome products that we've introduced, and how to use them, as well as the science of the strains in each product. So I'm thrilled to launch this new product education course to you all today. Please scan this QR code now to enroll, or you can visit training.doterra.com. And I hope you'll join me in the showcase later today for a deeper dive. Thank you so much.